Squeeze. Firmly press, typically with one's fingers.
Stir. To mix a liquid or other substance by moving an object such as a spoon in a circular pattern.
Garnish. Decorating with a small final touch and is used especially in referring to the serving of food.
Dissolve. To mix with a liquid and become part of the liquid. Strain. To separate liquid from solid pieces using a strainer.
Sprig. A small stem bearing leaves and flowers, taken from a plant.
Rinse. Wash something with clean water to remove soap, detergent, dirt or impurities.
Chill. Make food or drink cold enough.
Pour. To make a liquid or other substance flow from the container in a continuous stream, especially by holding the container at an angle.